Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is gagawa tayo ng headlight conversion gamit ang Honda Crf 150L. So in order ko to sa abroad, yung LED light. Then ito ay gawa sa LED and fiber made. So yung frame niya is fiber yung sa sides niya. So yun ang gagawin natin for today. But before that, intro muna tayo. So first move natin guys is we will remove the cowling. So na-install ko na kanina yung LED. So pinalitan ko na yung stock. So we're going to put some extra switch para sa LED light natin. Kasi yung original na light sa Crf 150L is wala talaga siyang switch guys. So yung switch niya is nasa high and low lang. Then usually ito yung tendency na madaling mapundi yung bulb nito. So better to put some extra switch para pag daytime is meron tayong energy saving. Although okay naman yung regulator ng Crf 150L, pero yung bulb is we need to save the bulb para hindi siya aksaya. Then I decided to put some LED light. So ito yung tinatawag nila na Street Fighter headlight. So ito yung LED. So ito yung nagbibigay ng extra aggressive looks sa Honda Crf 150L. So yun need natin i-rewire yung high and low nito dahil iba na ang wiring nito. So tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-wiring, kung ano yung color coding nito, the proper way. But first you need to have a electrical tape para hindi kayo mag-ground sa wiring. So yung wire natin sa LED is yellow, and from the Honda Crf wiring original is blue. So you connect yung yellow to blue, then red to white. So yung yellow to blue naman is yung high and low. Yung red is low pala. So blue and yellow is high, and then red white is low. Then yung isa is ground yan. So black and green is ground. So yan. So but lagyan natin ng extra switch. So tingnan nyo lang kung paano ko gawin. So yan yung LED. Yan, tatak na natin yung ground and yung green. So kung lalagay kayo ng switch guys, is yung black is lalagyan ng extra switch. Yan. So ito yung switch natin guys. Ito yung proper kung paano magdagay ng switch. So yung LED natin is may strobe light. Sa high beam niya is strobe. So yan yung gusto ko kasi nag-flash siya. So very nice. But ito ay single beam. Pag low beam is single beam lang siya. But very bright naman siya guys. So 6 LEDs. So allowed pa rin yan sa LTO. Kasi 6 LEDs is yan yung legal na allowed sa LTO. Sa iba nga guys is left and right, 6 sa left, 6 sa right. So yun yung sabi ni Colonel Bosita. So yun, na-install natin. Check natin kung may problem pa. So yung switch natin is yung basic lang, switch on off lang, transparent blue. So yan guys, nakikita nyo kung gaano ka bright. So yung time ngayon guys is like 2 PM. So very bright na siya. What more if night time. So yan guys, you need to check the wiring para hindi kayo mag-ground. So minsan kasi pag mag-ground ito, yung fuse niya is paputok. That is normal because that is a safety precaution sa Honda CRF para hindi masunog yung mga wiring. So puputok yung fuse. So make sure na nakatap yung wiring nyo guys, hindi siya didikit sa positive to positive. Yan. So kailangan natin ay ipalusot yung wiring ng on-off switch. So yan guys, papakita ko sa inyo, zoom ko. Yan yung correct tapping ng LED light. So yan. So yellow to blue, white to red, then yung green, yung magtatap siya sa switch. Then yung switch is may green dyan, didikit nyo yung green doon. Yan guys. Yan. So yung black that is ground. So didikit nyo yan doon sa switch ng ground. And then yung blue and yellow, make sure na naka-connect ito ng mabuti para hindi kayo mag-lose contact. So yung red and white, just make sure din na connect properly. So yan yung switch. So dito natin ilalagay. So gamit ko yung pro taper na handlebars. So yan guys. So makikita nyo kung paano ko na tap yung mga wiring. So we need to tape it back para hindi kayo mag-ground. So use the 3M electrical tape or any electrical tape. Make sure na hindi ito didikit sa may metal, kasi if didikit sa metal yung positive, tendency niyan is masusunog yung motor or puputok yung fuse. Then wala na kayong headlight. So yun guys, sundin nyo lang yung wiring ko, then yun yung proper na way. So yan guys, sobrang ganda yun ng LED, very shiny, very clear. So Pro Taper yung brand ng LED natin. Yan. So check natin na mayang gabi kung anong liwanag bibigay nito. So yan guys, tape na natin. So make sure na very tight. Then hindi ito matatanggal kahit anong movement. So yan guys. So yan, make sure na naka-tap talaga. Then yan, so yan yung proper na pag-wiring nito guys. So if order kayo nito guys, meron tayong available. Just PM me and I will put my Facebook link or cellphone number sa description box para maka-order kayo sa akin. So yung store ko is nasa Buhangin, Davao City. Then madami tayong stocks nito guys. So this LED is only 2,400 only, very affordable. So yung may ibang LED naman na nagbebenta sa online, so ingat lang kayo dahil madali lang masira. Then alam niyo na madaming China na lumalabas ngayon. So make sure lang na hindi niyo mabili yung mga fakes, yung mga ganun. So yan guys, almost done on putting the electrical tape. So test na natin, then i-bolt ko na yung headlight nito. So, yan. 6 LEDs, Pro Taper, and Headlight. So, ang napansin ko naman nito guys is biglang nag-aggressive look yung Crf 150L compared sa stock. But make sure that you will keep your stock para if ever gusto nyo bumalik sa stock, then it's easy to put it back. Yan guys, so tapos na tayo ng tape. So ito check natin, test natin yung adiwanan nito guys. On. Ayos. Guys, we're done with installing the headlight. So I hope you like this video, like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye.